Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move banner image to the center on Shopify. For example, you can see I'm on my Shopify store and this is the banner image and you can see that it is to the left. I'll be showing you how to move the image to the center of your store. The first thing you will need to do is go on your store admin page. Once you're on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the Themes page. Once on the Themes page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on the three dots right beside Customize. Then you're going to tap on Edit Code. After selecting Edit Code, you will be redirected to this page. And I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option once more and tap on Theme Liquid. Then you are going to tap on anywhere on the page. And depending on the device you are using, for example, if you are using a Windows device, you are going to press down on Alt F. If you are using an Apple device, you are going to press down on Command F. Then I want you to simply type in /body, then tap on enter. Once you have found it, you are going to tap right above it and you are going to press on enter. And in this blank line, I want you to paste in the code that I will be leaving in the description. So you are going to copy the code. Once you have copied the code, you are going to paste it right here. After you have pasted the code, you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once you have selected save, if we were to go back to the main page and I were to refresh the page, as you can see the image is to the left. Now once I refresh the page, you will realize that the image is now in the center, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.